Yeah, not much riding gonna get done today. It's supposed to be raining all day. My neighbor's been cutting his lawn in the rain. In between rain showers, he's cutting his lawn. It's because it's going to be raining the next several days. Got a tropical storm system moving through and just bringing a lot of moisture. So, with that, yeah, there's other things that get done around here. I wasn't planning on making a video, but, you know, I've been out here in the garage for just a few minutes and started tinkering around and deciding what I'm doing today. And, hey, look, e-bike reviews and adventures. Then I decided, why not make a video and, you know, show you some more of the behind the scenes kind of stuff. Some people seem to like those videos, so it's kind of like real life stuff, you know. I mean, it's not planned, it's not scripted out, it's just, you know, this is what I do. I released a video last week when I was cleaning up in the garage and stuff, and now look at it. Yeah, not much has changed. Things are a mess again. So anyway, yeah, just thought I would share that. Share some stuff with you here. So, something horribly went wrong when I ordered these. I wanted to order a couple different size larger bandages because, you know, if you're on an e-bike and you have an accident, chances are your boo-boo is going to be a little bit bigger than maybe it would otherwise be. So I wanted some bigger band-aids. And I don't know if Amazon messed up or if I messed up, but somehow these came packaged 2 to a box. I only ordered 1 box, I thought, but then I got 2 of them packaged that way, and they're the same, so I did not order 4 of these things. I don't know, I got to check my account and see if I made a mistake or something. That's alright, good to have. But then I ordered these, really large ones. So, you should have, you know, a first aid kit. His lawnmower is going to drive me crazy until he's done. You should have a first aid kit, and you know, encourage you to put one together if you haven't already. Because, you know, you're out riding around away from home a little bit. Things happen. Accidents happen, and you might need to be able to take care of something, or maybe someone else has an accident, and you kind of need to take care of them. So I'm a veteran, and you know, I have toys, I have stuff. And this is just my first aid kit. I've got several of these kits made. Yeah, how's that? I've got several of these kits made, and you know, I think I showed you this once before. I don't remember. I think maybe when I was showing you some of the stuff I carry on my bike or something, maybe I showed this. Actually, it was a different color. It was a black one. But you know, this is overkill for maybe for some people. But I have, like I said, several of these made, and I keep one in my vehicle. I keep one here at home. I keep one on my bike, that sort of thing. And it's got things in here that you probably would never need, but again, you know, being a veteran, you kind of prepare for things. I've got you know, some scissors in here, and a lot of this stuff is you know, it's not high-end quality stuff. It's just to get you by. But I've got like a little emergency blanket back in there, and I'm not sure what else is in that packet right there. Small scissors. You know, this is a chest vent, and this is just to, you know, a lot of people think of this as, oh, if you get shot or something, then, you know, in the chest, then you need to block the hole to keep air from filling in the chest cavity and then collapsing the lungs and that sort of thing. But I do a lot of off-road riding, so my thought was, you know, what if you have a crash, and what if you get punctured by a stick or something, or somebody else gets punctured by a stick, and they have an open chest wound, and it's, you know, your chest is filled up with air, whatever. So got one of those, got a tourniquet, just because, yeah, it's the same thing. You could have a serious bike crash, have a really serious injury that requires you to go ahead and put a tourniquet on to keep somebody from bleeding to death. Then you open the pack up like so, and it kind of unfolds. And you know, this bag, I bought this bag separately, and then you stock it with whatever you want. So I don't necessarily recommend buying the pre-made first aid kits, because they never have all the stuff you need, and a lot of the stuff they give you is junk. And so I always just build my own. For the most part, I have purchased first aid kits just to collect some of the stuff that was inside. Like, for instance, sometimes you can find first aid kits that's got these little small packets of you know, different types of medications, allergy meds, pain reliever, bug bite, burn gel, that sort of thing. And so it's good for that sort of thing. So I take that out, I use it. But inside here we have, you know, gloves should I need them. We do have some, a small bottle peroxide for cleaning wounds. Over here I have some essential oils that's great for anxiety and things like that my wife made up, and I keep one of those near me all the time. That's a story for another day. Here's some Neosporin, and let's see here, we got tape. I got tape tucked up inside here for gauze and things like that. But over here we have bigger pieces of gauze tucked away here. We've got what's called an Israeli bandage, and basically it's a nice big padded bandage, and it's got a nice long strap, you know, actual bandage piece of it that allows you to wrap up, you know, big wounds, head wounds, and things. Back in here we have various, you know, there's insect repellents and oh my gosh, more. There's an eye patch. Here's more little packets that's got, you know, here's a lip guard soothing ointment, some kind of, you know, some stuff for your lips. You got anesthetic wipes, and there's more. Let's see, we got more little packets of, it's like antiseptic, antibiotic wipes, and lots of towelettes and things like that for cleaning up. So yeah, and then continuing on back here we have, what's that? So that's the eye patch. Then we have some various size bandages, little gauze pads I should say. So here's gauze pads that go with the little rolls of tape that I have stuck over here. And then I have some smaller band-aids and things, and that was the problem. I have all these smaller band-aids and things back here. There's another medical pack. It's got various meds in it. But most of my band-aids were actually just small, so that's why I wanted to get some of these larger band-aids. See, I mean, that's for a bigger wound, and then this one here is, you know, much bigger. So I don't know if you noticed my light just went on. My garage light. You know, you open the door and then the light resets, and you gotta push it to make it stay on all the time. So anyway, that was the purpose of buying some larger band-aids. So we're just gonna tuck those in back here. So we have that. One thing that I was missing a couple of days ago, and I don't see it in this bag, so I'm gonna have to find some. I need something for, you know, stings and bug bites and things like that, because I needed that a couple of days ago, and now I'm realizing I don't have it in this pack. I think I have it in my another one, but certainly not in here. So that's something I'm gonna have to make an adjustment with. Getting all this stuff to stay in here, that's tricky. You know, just making it work. It's tight. I really don't have room to put much else, so I may have to find some stuff to remove. I think I can probably consolidate some of these two little med packs. Maybe do something different with those. But for now, it's going to be right there. So yeah. Anyway, this kind of folds back up again. Just kind of close that. Bring that around. There's a Velcro on the top here, so you can get it sealed on the top, so it holds. And then you just worry about zipping it back up on both sides, like so. Yeah. So that's my first aid kit. So that's going with me in the saddlebag. These just need to go in the house. So I'm going to move these over here so they're out of my way for now. I'll put those in the house. What else? So the Truxas came without a bell or a horn. So I went ahead and, holy smokes, those are huge. I wanted to pick up some bells, and I found these on Amazon Prime for cheap. My goodness, that's a big bell. Oh no, that's not going to work. Yeah, that's going back. Yeah, you know, that's how it goes. Sometimes you just try stuff, and if it doesn't work, politely send it back and ask for a refund. So that goes back into, that's not how it went in there. It never goes back in the way you take it out. Yeah, that was pretty bad. Okay, I've got a lot of stuff that needs to go back to Amazon. I mean, we're talking about a lot of stuff. And Mrs. Adventure has a few things over here that she gave me yesterday, so I've got to go through all this today and make sure I have all these little return labels printed out, and so I can get all this stuff sent back. I just picked up that. I'll open that up in a second here. Yeah, see, I think I showed you this in another video. Well, I've still got it because I haven't been to the UPS store to return it yet. I need a trash can closer to my desk area over there. All right, so because we're in the rainy season here, and I have this upcoming trip, I went ahead and picked up and plus it's weather's getting unpredictable where it could be cool one day and warm the next, and I wanted something that was lightweight, small, that I could easily fold up and take with me on the bike, because it could be warm here, and then I take a ride and I drive over near the coast, which is about, I don't know, 12-15 miles or something, and it could be a cooler breeze over there on the water, right? So I wanted something that I could just have with me all the time in case I run into that problem, or if I run into a rain shower. So these are on sale. Columbia's pretty good. So I can use it as a little raincoat or as a windbreaker. They didn't have anything that was a safety yellow, but this bright red was the closest thing I could come up with. So I said, okay, that's fine. I don't mind red. I mean, I'm not a fan of red, but for something like this, I'm fine with it. I want to be safe. So that needs to go into the bag, along with my first aid kit over there. So yesterday, Emma and Devin and Amanda were here, and they came over. They had all three of them here for dinner and bike riding, and they were testing out the Sena helmets, and they were testing out a couple of the new e-bikes that we have. And so everybody was just having a good time. Anyway, that strap got taken off and I needed to put it back. Alright, more trash. That was the trash I just took out. Alright, I'm not sure what to do next here. I've got stuff that I just don't use. I've got parts over here. That's going to bother me. I got to get rid of this trash. This can go down here. Make another walk over here. At least I'm getting my exercise going back and forth to this stupid trash can. Alright. I got a lot of things over here I need to do reviews with. And seeing that it's going to be raining the next couple of days, seems like this is a good time maybe to knock out some of these videos here in the studio if I can get my desk cleaned up. See, look, I need to make another trip to the trash can. Yeah, that's going to go over here. That needs to go to the trash can. Trash can. This needs to go back on. What did that come off of? That came off of Truxus Explorer. So Emma, bless her heart, she is vertically challenged, and so when she was trying to ride the Truxus Explorer yesterday, she couldn't get the seat down low enough because of the suspension seat post. So she said, "Dad, can you put a smaller seat on this?" So I put the original Truxus on there because it goes down a little bit further since it doesn't have the suspension seat post. So yeah, happy to accommodate. But Amanda and I are the ones who are riding this for the most part, so here we go. Going back on. Alright. This needs to go up there on that shelf with all the other ones, but it's hard to get back there, so for now we're going to set it over here, and as soon as I do scramble back there for some reason, I'll put that away. What is stuck to my foot? Oh, piece of tape. Oh my goodness. All right, Tom, my neighbor Tom, stopped by. I think I mentioned this in another video when I was putting this together. I mentioned Tom would probably like this. And he sure does. Yeah, he likes it a lot. He stopped by and said, man, I saw that in your garage. Is that a trailer? And, yeah, come on in, take a look. And he liked it. And so, who knows, maybe he'll end up with a trailer like that. All right, back over here. All right, there is not a whole lot I can do here until I start making videos on some of these accessories. So probably going to end this video here so I can work on those accessories. I'm not going to sit here and record myself packaging all this stuff up, getting it ready to take it back to Amazon, but that's what I got to do next, because this stuff has to go back to Amazon via the UPS store. It has to go today. It's raining. I can't get there via bike, so I'm going to take it in the truck, but it's got to go today. So that's priority 1. Priority 2 is try to knock out some of the accessory videos. Priority 3, edit some of the video footage we took last night. The kids being here riding some of these toys. They rode, I got video clips for the Coat Club scooters, which we got to do a review video on those soon. We got some more video clips of the Truxus, so that's going to be some more videos coming out about the Truxus Explorer. This guy right here, which I'm not supposed to show you and mention just yet, so because the company says, yeah, we don't really want any videos until you do like the full review. So I'll be doing, got to do a video on this one, but we got some good video clips of that. And just this morning we released the review video of the fifth wheel Torrent. I can't ride that because I'm too heavy. I'm a fatty. So, and neither of the kids cared for it a whole lot, because it's a skinny tire bike, you know. So unfortunately, that's going to get sold probably here pretty quick. That's going to go for sale, because I could get that out of here anyway. Amanda's still leaning towards taking this over, but she's not sure. So we're going to keep the Scoria, but as soon as she makes a decision, if she definitely wants to go ahead and just keep the Truxus Explorer, I'm selling the Scoria. Nope, I don't ship. Got to be local. And the new trike, the E310, people have started to receive theirs already. Mine gets delivered next Wednesday. Yeah, so that's another video I need to get done. That's a priority video too. I need to make a short little video announcing that we're going to try to do a live unboxing. And I kind of need to get that started now so people can see it and plan for it. So, but that unboxing won't be until Saturday. We'll do that Saturday morning when more people are available probably. My gosh. Guys, if only you knew. This is like a full-time job and, yeah, supposed to be semi-retired. All right, that's it. So, yeah, just a little behind-the-scenes video, so enjoy. And, yeah, I'll see you in another video soon. I got to get busy. I got things to do.